Saturday, February 25th, and I'm on my way to work. It's very cold in Philly. It's 28 degrees. So I guess Mother Nature decided that it's winter again. I know you guys see pink shirts a lot in my vlogs. I love the color pink, and I kind of like have a uniform for my business. So you might see, or you will see, a lot of pink shirts, but it's not the same one. Okay. Just to get that out, because I know somebody in the comments is gonna be thinking something, but yeah, it's different shirts. Or sometimes, you go to Walmart, you see them for like, $2.90 whatever, or $2.40 whatever. So I just pick a couple up, but yeah, not the same shirt. I'm trying, because I found that in my previous vlogs, like, you guys were hearing a noise in the back. I don't know what that noise is, but it seems to be when I'm driving. It's that I don't know what it is. So I kind of stabilized the camera, the phone a little more. Turned the radio off, and I put it on Bluetooth in the car, so that way, I don't know, I don't know what that noise is. It didn't used to be there before, but it's there now. So I'm trying to figure out how to get rid of it. Ooh, somebody is going to wake up this morning. It looks as though somebody smashed into a few cars on the side of the road. Oh my God. It's crazy out here. I keep saying that, but maybe I need to stop saying it, because when you say something, you bring it forth. So maybe I need to stop saying that, but the things I see and hear. But anyway, yeah, I'm on my way to work. Did a little curl with a puff. Just tried a little thing. I have like 1.5 jobs today, so let me explain what half is. So the one job, right? But then the other one is these people, they're having renovations done on their entire house. So she wants me to come as much as I can until they can't use any more parts of the house. So right now they're down to 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and the living room, which there's nothing in the living room. So that's gonna take me a good half an hour to do. But she's paying me my regular pay, so we gonna go. Because I normally do her on a Monday, but the contractors are there Monday to Friday. So I mean, going and do it for half an hour, 45 minutes on a Saturday and get my entire pay is not a, to me it's not a big deal. So some of them would have said, we're having construction for the next 6 months, don't come, and they're not going to pay you. So at least I'm getting paid. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to go back to the house. I have a little cleaning to do. in mind that I need to do. So I'm going to try to get, I think what I need to start doing is when I have a thought, because I think that's what the big content creators and influencers do. When they have a thought or a video idea or something, oh, something's going on, child. The police is going crazy over here. Oh, look at, oh my God, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Oh boy, something's happening. Let's get out. Let's get out. Yeah, I think that's what they do. I think when they think about something, it doesn't matter how small I think it is, they kind of just jot it down as an idea and then revisit it and kind of make it something. So, oh, there goes another police car. Well, this one's not driving. 1, 2, 3. What the hell? Child, it's too early on a Saturday. You see what I was just saying 2 minutes ago? I need to stop saying, shit is crazy. Because I said that, and not less than 5 minutes, there's like 9 police cars just in pursuit. So yeah, I need to stop saying that. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I think they write it down as an idea pin, and then they revisit it, and they kind of jot down under that idea pin. I think that's what I'm gonna do. You see, when I talk to you guys, yeah. So you have an idea, you jot it down. That's the headline, and then every time you get a thought or something to expand on that idea, you jot it down under that idea. And then when you get enough that's going to make an entire video and make it, entertaining or educational or whatever, then you put all of those pieces together and you make a video. I think that's what I'm going to do from now on. Besides the vlog, because the vlog is just, me talking to you, like, you're sitting next to me, or you're on my sofa, or on my couch, or whatever with me, so that's different. But other videos that I have ideas for, like I would have an idea, but I would just be like, the execution is sometimes the hard part, so I think that's what I'm gonna have to start doing. When I just started YouTube 2 years ago, that's what I did. Like I would write down in a notebook, hair care routine, and then I would put in brackets like, pre-poo, shampoo, blah, whatever. So I think I'm gonna go back to that. But yeah. So hopefully this footage doesn't have that noise that I can hear. Good morning, guys. I have not recorded for a few days. Nothing interesting, but I wanted to talk to you guys about this. So I have seen and heard of people with Tourette's, not really seen them in person, but like, watch talk shows where they were, talking about people with Tourette's, and even kind of trying to interview people with Tourette's. And of all the shows that I've seen, all these people with Tourette's seem to curse. Like, it would be like, fuck. It will always be a curse word. It wouldn't be something like cake, or it just would be a curse word. And I brought this up because I went to TJ Maxx 2 days ago, and I'm in the store and I'm going through and I'm hearing this, this person. person, you know, cursing, like, you're not hearing like an argument or anything, you're just hearing fuck, fuck, fuck. I mean a little louder, but so I turned around and I noticed that he was with an aide. I mean, that could have been his sister, girlfriend, you know, whatever, aide, whatever. So and then I realized, oh, that is because he, you know, he had the tick too. So I was like, oh, okay, so he has Tourette's, and he was cursing, and it was the first time that I saw this, you know, in real time. So I was just curious as to why it is they curse. So I was going to make a TikTok about it. And my entire family was like, you don't want to do that. They're going to come for you like nobody's business. But I honestly want to know why it is they curse. Because if you can't say no other word, how you can say fuck? No, I'm not being, you know, insensitive or anything. I'm just curious as to, you cannot, maybe you can say yes or no or whatever, but why is it fuck? That's what I want to know. I know. If you guys know of anyone or have any kind of insight, let me know. It's just curious. It's not that I, you know, my life depends on me knowing. I just you know, things you want to know, and that's one of my things. My face, I just saw this, I just drove in the Sunday and my face had a glow. Ooh, I like that glow. But yeah, hi guys. I was just talking to my my neighbor. So one of our neighbors moved. They were an elderly couple, I think, you know, they're sick or whatever, sickly. I know the woman had cancer or whatever like that. So their daughter came and moved them to Virginia. It's been a few months. So the daughter came up, I think, at some point last week and was doing some cleaning and cleaned out and put some stuff out in the trash. But she put it out in, look at this crazy one. She put it out in boxes. Now our trash doesn't come until Tuesday. So she put it out the Friday or the Thursday, last Friday or Thursday is when she put it out. I saw when she was putting it out and I was like, first of all, why are you putting it out all these days before trash? Now, I didn't say that to her. This is what I was thinking. Like, why would you put it out all these days before the trash? And you putting it out in boxes. The trash people don't take boxes unless it's flat. You have to flatten it and maybe tie it with a string, or you can take one box and flatten all the other boxes and put them in it. That's the only how they take it. But they just put the boxes with whatever they had in it, they just put it by the side of the road. Okay, so you put it out Thursday, you put it out Friday. Rain fell, so then the boxes broke. Everything is all over the sidewalk and a portion of the street. Don't you know that the trash came on Tuesday and did not pick that shit up? They left it right there. Now, what the box exposed was food. Like, you know, boxes, like, you know, old, like pancake mix and whatever, but there's, like, they cleaned out the pantry. That is going to encourage squirrels, mice, stray cats is gonna, because they're gonna be looking for food and they're gonna be going through. Now when that mess, I should have taken a picture of it. When I go back home today, it's still gonna be there. I'm gonna take a picture of it so you guys can see. Why would you do that? And you going back to Virginia, so you don't give a shit because you don't live there. So you don't care how it look. Now who is supposed to pick that up? Because the trash people is not picking it up. They already proved that on Tuesday. They're not gonna come back a week later and pick it up. And even if they get a fine, okay, so you get a fine. But who the hell is picking the trash up? My neighbor was livid. We were just talking about it. I'm like, you can't have nothing. You try to keep your place, you know, a certain way, and then if your neighbor isn't doing what they're supposed to do, then your shit goes to hell too. So I don't know. It's crazy. So guys, it's Saturday morning and I'm getting my fill of my girl Peggy. I don't miss any of her vlogs. So I'm in the bed. That's my girl. Happy Saturday, guys. As I said before, I'm here getting my fill of my girl Peyton, having my coffee. I have to work today, but I don't leave home until like around 10 o'clock. So I have a few hours that I can just kind of relax and, you know, do nothing, which is what I'm doing. Well, not nothing. I'm being schooled by my girl Peyton. So I will just checking in, seeing how you guys doing, saying good morning. Yeah. Hi guys. It is Sunday. And I'm doing a hair treatment. I saw this on YouTube last night. It was onion. It's a lot. Onion, cloves, bay leaf, rice, coffee. Yep, I know it sounds like a meal, but it's a meal for your hair. So you, I think I should show you guys how it's done, but let me just explain. So you soak the rice for in like a cup and a half of water, 3 tablespoons of rice. I use jasmine rice for like, I don't know, 20-25 minutes. I used hot water to infuse it faster. And then you drain that water into a saucepan and you add the bay leaf, the cloves, and the coffee and onions, and you bring that to a boil. Then you let it sit, you let it cool, put it in a spray bottle. You can add some hair growth oil to it. I added almond oil and that was another oil, not wheat, flaxseed, and I added flaxseed oil to it. And I sprayed, really saturated my hair. I, you know, massaged, and then I put this plastic bag on, and this has been on for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for like 45. Then I'm gonna rinse and wash my hair as usual and style, which for me is cornrows because I wear a lot of wigs. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this works. Yep. So that's what I'm doing. Once I'm finished with this, take my shower and get myself together, I'm gonna go do my regular Sunday routine stuff. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys now. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I think this was a shorter vlog because I didn't really I didn't record a lot this week. Oh, I'm not gonna say goodbye yet. I want to show you guys the trash that I talked about earlier. It's still outside. So when I'm going out to the grocery store, I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we're gonna end the vlog. So yeah, because it's ridiculous. So yeah. Good morning, guys. Just wanted to update you guys on the trash situation that I showed you in the last clip. It's still there, and the trash guys just went by. They left it again. So I'm not sure if we have to call the city and have like a special agency come and get it. But I mean, it was a mess, and one of the neighbors like cleaned it up and put it, like, you know, kind of tried to put it back together so it's not all over the street. But if they keep leaving it there, it's getting nice outside. Cats and mice and squirrels and all these other things is gonna get in there. That is gonna be a mess. I don't know. And nobody's gonna go in that trash and separate, you know, the food from the trash from the, I mean, who's gonna do that? Nobody's gonna put their hands in that. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching another one of my vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you may see, if you're, you know, a subscriber and you kind of watch my uploads regular, you might see that I started a little ASMR. I'm trying to see, you know, how that works. I might make a separate channel for that, but yeah. So again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let's grow the family. And just don't look, you know, subscribe. I invite you to subscribe. Become one of the gang, you know. So see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace out.